how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna be testing out a brand new product. It's a new product on the market too. So yeah, before that, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Well, comment after the video, of course. So, and let me know what you guys think of this product that we're about to show you. So all right, let's just got it in the mail, so it's gonna be unboxing. Okay, it's gonna be an unboxing also. So I just got it a few days ago. So let's check it out. We ordered the 4 from Fanatic. Right here, we ordered Fanatic's 007 Gloss Enhancer Detail Spray. It's supposed to be a great detail spray. Be a nice drying aid for your vehicle. You can put it on your wheels. Shake it up. I'm gonna have to put a sprayer on here, made in the USA. Gotta like that. So what it says, it's an ultimate way to quickly detail your vehicle surface. Finish between washes or at shows, car shows. It quickly and safely removes dust, fingerprints, bird droppings, while enhancing the shine and drying process. So, yep, it's a synthetic polymer formula. We'll take your wax and sealant and ceramic coatings to the next level of shine. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I said everything right. Let's see what else it says. We got enhancer contains no wax or fillers. That's good, no fillers. And what's nice about this can be applied in the direct sunlight. That's what it says, and that's a plus. Especially at car shows, you got a little spot you want to touch up, and you can use this. Or if you're not able to get any shade, so this will be great for a drying aid. If you wash your vehicle and you have the sun out, sometimes you just got to do that. Just keep it wet and then dry it down. I do it all the time. I mean, as long as it's not baking with the sun and the heat, I'll wash it and then keep everything wet and dry it. This will be a perfect product for that. What else does it say? Ultimate drying aid and interior detailer, all in one easy to use product. So basically this is a product you can use for all types of stuff on your vehicle. Like I said, wheels. Let's see, this is the first time using it, so sorry about that. It takes a little bit longer to read it and show you guys. I was too excited to read everything before I was showing you guys. Alright, brings out your shine. Pretty much already said that. And unique formulas, anti-synthetic, and reduces the chance of airborne particles to attract to your car finishes. So it's supposed to have great like water beading, well, hydrophobic. I think hopefully I said that right. We'll see. Probably not, but it's right there. All right, so let's try it out on the charger. Perfect color to try it out. Now, if you guys have been following my channel at all, it's been a couple months since I got it back from the body shop. So basically, this area here has no wax or sealant on it, and the rest of the car should still have the Just Car and the Colonite 845 on it. So it's been 60 days, so now I'm safe to apply wax on the painted surface. So I figured this would be perfect to bring it out. And of course, I'm always losing my light, when I get off work and that, and you try to do these videos. It's it's almost winter, and lucky enough it's right now it's warmed up for this weekend to do this real quick. I think it's like 45 out, so it's warm to me. So let's get ready and try it out. It smells good too. I mean, it's pink, and actually it kind of reminds you, the smell reminds you of it. What's nice about this, it's safe to use on your glass, your plastic, your wheels. So that's what's nice. It's basically an all-in-one product. So if you got plastic on your vehicle, it's safe on that, and plus it probably give it some protection. This product, you're gonna miss it on your vehicle. Get it ready. use it, you're gonna mist on your vehicle, or you can even mist on your Microsoft towel, and then you'll dry it off. And I don't think you have to use a lot of product. You know, just mess with it and then see. Let's test it out, and then we'll dry it off. Oh yeah, look at that. I wish the sun was out for you guys. That's it. To see the product. And it's a little cool out too. It's only like 45, so I'll get another Microsoft towel and dry it up a little bit. It's not bad. Yeah, this thing's losing my light. I'll try this product out in the spring. I'll get some better light. Let me grab another towel. Alright, sorry about this, guys, with this light. I'm always losing it. Make sure you're in your clothes, you don't have no zippers. You're leaning over. That's pretty good. Looks pretty good. I should have left the card running. Alright. Buff it in there. Oh yeah, look at that. It's nice. Yep, that's on the windows. Look how nice and clean that looks. Look at that. That's nice. I mean, that is spotless. Wish it was a little bit warmer out here. But, that's it on the windows. Oh man, look at that. But I think what I do once the vehicle's kind of dry, I'm going to go over it a little bit more with a clean towel and get it. Alright, I'm going to finish this up real quick and then I'll show you guys the results. I'll pull it in the garage. I don't need the light too. We'll get a good look at it. But it looks good. But look at this. It's giving it a nice shine. Yeah, wow. That looks good. I want to do the wheels too. Alright, let me get to it. Lay it down. Another thing too, I got these chemical guys drying towels, and that's why I'm getting it. I'm getting the streaks. I ordered some new ones. There it is. Well, it's dark out. I'm sorry guys again, but this stuff feels slick. Like silk. It really does. I mean, wow, it feels like silk when you rub your hands on it. That's how smooth this 007 gloss enhancer from Fanatic. I mean, it's nice. Now what I did, because it's a little cooler out and my towels, like I said, are not the greatest, on here on the Corvette's been washed a few weeks, about I don't know, maybe 3 weeks, and the dust, because it can get the dust off. I sprayed this area. I even sprayed it on my lens, on my GoPro session that I'm using to film this. I even use it on that to clean the lens up. Yeah, might help it. So, alright. I figured I'd throw that in there real quick. Results from the 007 gloss. I like it. Gave a nice slickness to it. It was shining it up. Too bad it's not sunny out to really look at it. It did make it smooth, you know, when you touch it. But one thing I did notice, I'm due for a clay bar. I did the plastic bag tricks. I seen some spots here. I think it's from the body shop. It's just like through here. You really feel it here. I think, yeah, it's from the body shop because it wasn't like that when I had it before. Because right here is all smooth. I don't know why that's on the hood. It could be something when the vehicle was by when they were sanding or whatever. It's sitting in the body shop. A clay bar it and I can get that cleaned up because there's a few spots. And what's cool about it, there was a few spots. It kind of looked like water spots or not, but I think it's from the, if you can see it here, that area, it's like little specks, and I believe that's from the body shop, and you can feel it being rough with the bag trick. And this detail spray did take it out. It did clean it, but I didn't want to do a bunch of rubbing with it. Because the best thing to do is to clay it, but it did take those spots out in this area right here, so it works pretty good. It's like, man, it's the only bad thing when you get your car back from somewhere. It just feels like it's never the same when you get it back from a shop. Well, that's my opinion. I gotta wipe a little bit right here, but that's what I think. It's like, it just feels like it's never the same when you get it back from a shop. But then check it out. Granted, this area has no wax or sealant on it from the body shop. Got some of the results. Sorry that it's dark. Maybe the sun's out tomorrow. I'll pull it out and we'll look at it. Warms up. I need to do a complete detail on this clay bar and everything. I like to try out that Giro's Garage. Hopefully I said it right. I probably didn't again. I'm going to use their stuff on there. Fab wants to see that poly wax on it, see what kind of shine it is. I don't know, maybe I'll do it in the winter. I'll get my heater, propane heater on, and pull the Corvette out and just put it back in when I'm done. Should be able to do it, warm up the garage. Propane heater works pretty decent. But what do you guys think? It's shining up. The hood doesn't look as great because like I said, I got a clay bar and you can see some little spots. Man, they must have got something really, all kinds of stuff on it. You can see it here, and it feels rough right here. I don't know what it is. Maybe when they were buffing or what they're painting, it could be overspray too. You just don't see it. I mean, it does feel like that too, like an overspray, but it's the same color when they were painting it. That's possible because right here you feel it. Hear it? Yeah, it's overspray. I clay bar, that should work it, and or buff it out. They come out, it's not really bad. At least it's the same color. But yeah, it's like, it sucks. You get these spots on your car, and you're like, man, where'd they come from? You know, little scratches here. But oh well. Yeah, it's only on the hood. Maybe they didn't cover the hood up. I don't know. Or something happened because you don't see it up here. Oh well. I got a bunch of detail and stuff. We'll just use it. It looks good. Alright, guys. Here's the product. It works pretty good. You guys, you know what? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think, you know, about the product, you know, the car, whatever, about the channel, something you guys like to see on the channel. Comment below, let us know. You know, you guys are part of the channel too. Appreciate you guys watching, taking your time and watching the whole video of us doing detail and stuff. So yeah, make sure to make a comment of something that you like in it. Do you like the product? Right here, I'll have a link in the description for his channel because he has a YouTube channel. You can check it out if you want. It's a good product. Didn't use that much, so not bad. It looks pretty good. Right here. So yep, I appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a great one. Let me know what you think. Later.